All right, so this is the extra large. I'm 5'11". It's plenty large, but it kind of rides up on me. So it's not for the tall, I guess. I'm not that tall, but anyhow, I feel pretty good in this. It's a jumper. It goes all the way to my shoes. It covers the sleeves pretty well. Let me go put on the gloves. So the gloves provide some extra protection on top. Not super huge, actually pretty good fit for the gloves. I feel pretty good. I've got a hornet's nest there. I don't know if they're yellow jackets or paper wasps or what, but I've got a tub behind me. I'm just gonna put it in the tub and see what they do. But this seems to fit pretty well. I don't know how this is gonna be. I think they're gonna get pretty mad at me. It's my guess, but we'll see. I should point out that you can unzip this completely. This doesn't have pant pockets, but it does have breast pockets. So you could put your phone or a tool in your breast pocket. So that's cool. Wish me luck. Well, here they are. I don't think these are these yellow jackets? I can't tell. They haven't been too mad at me. I've only had like one or two try to sting me. Yeah, okay, those are yellow jackets. I'm not gonna feel bad putting the lid on this thing. Sorry guys, I know you're just trying to exist, but so am I. So am I. All right, we got some yellow jackets trying to make a nest in here. I keep on spraying them, but they keep on coming back. I've tried to spray foam in here, but I've always been afraid to get too close. So now we're gonna get close. Well, good news. I don't think a single wasp even tried to sting me, but I wasn't nervous because this is legit. This is a good set. I think they were too scared of the foam. Rest in peace, wasps. Well, I would say this is pretty legit. I like that it's a jumper so you don't have to worry about the pants and the shirt. Just put the whole thing on, zips down to here. Really my only complaint is it does seem kind of small in this area. The gloves are great. They go all the way up. Really thick fabric. You got leather gloves here. And the reason I wanted this one is I like the head thing going all the way around. So you can move it over like this and you have full visibility. So anywhere I look, I can see even if the hat doesn't turn with me. You do have to adjust the hat a bit. That's kind of normal. And then here you got extra protection so you can zip this all the way up and then Velcro it here. And the nice thing about this too is you can kind of unzip it in the back and then just take it off and let it hang. And this is kind of the fashion now, is to let it hang behind you. So anyhow, works well for wasps. It's gonna work well for bees, work well for anything that can sting you. And it just looks cool. So if you wanna look cool like me, then this is the suit for you.